Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find font from image in Photoshop. It's quite easy and very interesting at the same time. So what you need to do, firstly you just need to head over to this selection tab. Okay, and once you select this one, rectangular marquee tool, you just need to draw a rectangle around the font you want to search for. Then we'll just head over to type tab, then look for the option match font, and once you click there, the Adobe Photoshop will look a exact font for you. So wait for a couple of seconds here, and yeah, there you go, they found some of the fonts which are already installed on my hard drive. And it's actually quite possible that if you already have login on Creative Cloud from Adobe, they'll give you more fonts. So just for the sake of this video, we'll just use one of these. So you can see that this font, this one and this one is exactly similar. So we can just select the font and just click on OK. What will happen, they'll just copy and select the font on the T tab just right here. So I'll just move to my project. So this is where I'm creating the same banner. So I'll just click on this T, and you can see the font is already selected. So we can just type here, I want to type Christmas. Okay, then let me just make the text bigger. Okay, you can see that the font is almost similar. So as I said that if you already have login on the Creative Cloud, so they'll give you more font and it would be so easier for you to find the exact font. But yeah, that's it. This is how you can find font from image in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.